So continue problems from this book. Okay, and we are doing the chapter also continuity. Continuity chapter problems we are doing continuously without any gap in between. That means no discontinuity in the problems of the chapter continuity. Clear? So if you see here, last time we started doing second level problems. Second level, third level, fourth level not necessary. Second level, here. See, we are doing important problems. Very good problem is there. Okay, now ninth problem. These 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 are very important, very interesting and very important, exclusively for national level examinations. But there is a chance for such models can be also in CET and other examinations. So they are useful. Therefore, I will write here problem number 9. So f of x is equal to a times, in the brackets I wrote something. What is this designer? This designer, already you know that greatest integer function symbol. He gave that greatest integer function. Brackets x represents GIF. Okay. F of x is continuous at 1. Then what are the relations he is asking? First option, a equal to 2b. A equal to b. Sum is 0 and a plus 2b is 0. That shows he is asking relation between a and b only. Not that we are finding values of a, b or unknown values. Some relation is there. What is given here condition? It is given that continuous at 1. At 1. And then what we notice here, there are some terms related to special function. That is why every time I am telling, throughout the calculus, every time you will get special functions compulsory. Now here, to find out continuity at 1, okay, on real number, suppose it is 1 is here, 0. We will go left side of 1 and right side of 1. From there we are approaching towards 1. Okay, like this. Similarly, this is called variable is approaching to 1 from the right hand side, so called right hand limiter, left hand limiter. If both coincide each other, at 1 it exists. That is our concept actually. For that reason, we will start with left hand limit. What is its symbolic form? X tends to 1 minus f of x. This is our symbolic form. Then what is the definition for the 1 minus here? X is less than 1. When x is less than 1, what is our term here? X plus 1 and x minus 1. First, adding 1, less than 2. When right hand side 2, not important, left hand side is important. For our greatest integer function, left important. What is its next immediate integer? Left side 1. Therefore, step of x plus 1 must be 1 only. That is our step value, integer value. Next, find out for this term also. Subtract 1. X less than 1, x minus 1 less than 0. When it is less than 0, immediate what is prefix here before integer minus 1. Therefore, step value minus 1. Now it is defined. After definition of special function only you can start any question in the chapter throughout the calculus. Otherwise no, you are not eligible to start solution. Or we say the question is not eligible for Gaines solution unless you define that symbol. Now we define that. Write down this. Now what is our f of x? A into 1 plus B into minus 1. What is value now? A minus B. This is our left limit. Limit extends to 1 minus f of x. Therefore, now we will go for right hand limit. What is its meaning or symbolic form? X tends to 1 plus. X tends to 1 plus. Okay. X tends to 1 plus means x is greater than. Now, x plus 1 greater than 2. Or 2 less than x plus 1. Right side not important. In this case, what is its step or integer value? 2. Next, we need this. X greater than 1. X minus 1 greater than 0. Or 0 less than x minus 1. That side is actually integer 1. Here it's next integer 3. Okay. We are not worried. In this case, what is the step value? 0. Then what is right hand limit? Therefore, x tends to 1 plus f of x. A into 2. B times 0. 2a. Don't think we are doing very big solution or else long method or anything. Every time, whenever there is a greatest integer function or modulus or anything, special functions, you have to proceed like this only. And it is a solution oriented. Immediately by a formula I will write answer, not like that. One problem possible in any chapter throughout syllabus. All problems are not like this. Okay. Now you see, since f of x is given continuous at 1, limit extends to 1 f of x, f of 1, actually definition. What is implied? Limit exists. Therefore, what we say extends to left limit is equal to right limit. What is our answer we got? A minus B is equal to 2a. Okay. Take here 2a minus a plus b. What is that? A plus b 0. Where is this answer? Okay. All that way we are doing from now onwards, what you do is practice in this way. Later on, any kind of function related to special functions, immediately you can define them and then do solutions. This question is possible entire calculus. Okay? So, that is why solution is important. Next, tell me, 10th also very good. Okay. 10th problem. All are writing NEET, all are writing JEE, compulsory. NEET plus JEE together compulsory have to write CET. CET exam next year onwards also they are changing some levels of questions. Some one or two difficult and standard questions will come. Okay. That is why you have to discuss all this type of questions suddenly. F of x is equal to step of 2x cube minus 6 Greatest integer function. Important. Number of points in the interval. In the interval. Important. Open interval 1 comma 2. Where fx is discontinuous. Good. See, sometimes what they will ask you, instead of asking directly find where it is continuous, find the limiting value or differentiable values or anything, sometimes they will ask number of solutions, values. How many values where the function is failed for continuity, means discontinuity we need. So what you do is here, first you have to find out nature of this function, means you have to see this symbol first. Integer function of 2 times x cube minus 6. Observe here, this function is a function obtained from x. From x. You have to start from x. What is the interval here? Open interval. Okay. 1 less than x less than 2. Next, cube is there. 1 less than, cubing on both sides. Next, 2 is there. 2 less than 2x cube less than 16. Minus 6. Subtract everywhere. 2 minus 6 less than 2x cube minus 6 less than 16 minus 6. Minus 4 less than 2x cube minus 6 less than 10. Finally, you have got the function overall when x lies between 1 and 2. This function lies between minus 4 and 10. But not minus 4 and 10, open interval. If you draw the real line scale, up to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, these are all numbers. This is your scale. Now, you remove. What are the answers given here? I didn't write down. I will give options. 5, 7, 13, 12. Answer is ABCD given like that. 5, 7, 13, 12. C. A, B, C. These are the number of values of x for which function is discontinuous. That number we need to count. Because it is open interval, remove this minus 4 and 10. Not possible. Numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. At this integers, function has no continuity. Already we know step of x. Step of x is continuous at rational numbers, discontinuous at integers. That is the reason we are counting integers. How many integers we got? Number n, 13 numbers. At every integer, this greatest integer function is discontinuous. At every rational number between them, continuous. Now problem for discontinuity. Values are for number of values. How many you got? 13. Therefore, simple. We are not doing any solution. Just we are counting. So, what is your main idea here? Using step of interval, step of x definition, whatever function they wrote, that function you are getting. In the exam, suddenly they will change this. I will ask in the exam, suppose the step of x by 2 plus 3. That also you can find from this. 1 less than x less than 2, divide with 2, 3 by 2, adding 3 plus 1 by 2, less than, plus 3, less than 3 by 2 plus 3. Now you can count the numbers, draw the real line, what are the integers, find out, answer only. So it is very easiest idea. Okay. So problem is important. Next is here 11th problem. Very good. This is also good. Is there a very material, very common problem in almost all standard books? This problem will be there. F of x, sine of step of x by step of x. For x non-zero means step of x non-zero. If step of x is 0, answer is 0. What he is asking? Options are continuous at 0, discontinuous at 0, left hand limit 0, right hand limit 1. That is our problem. This problem again I will discuss in the next chapter. Remember, options are different, but this problem is important. Actual problem options are there. According to chapter they changed here. Actual options continuous, differentiable, not differentiable, differentiable at 1, like that. Since that chapter we discuss next. Okay? Right. As per the options, we have to start our solution. In any way, because at origin only he is discussing, so we go for left limit and right limit. Okay? Left hand limit at 0 means x tends to 0 minus f of x. When x tends to 0 minus, what is meaning? X tends to 0 only, but x less than 0. When x less than 0 means what is left side important number? Minus 1 important. In this case, what is the step of x value? Minus 1. Now write down here sine of minus 1 by minus 1. We know sine of minus theta minus sine theta by, that means sine 1. Finally, what is the answer? Left limit, finite number, sine 1. Okay. Left limit at x equal to 0, sine 1. He is giving left limit is 0. Not correct. Failed up. One option delete. Now we will go for right hand limit. That means x tends to 0 plus f of x. What is its meaning? Greater than 0 or 0 less than x. In this case, what is step value? 0. When step of x is 0, he is only giving the answer. What is the answer given? 0. That means, what is observation? Finally, right hand limit is 0. You are not substituting or not doing solution like this in the right hand limit. Since step of x 0 only, therefore sin 0 by 0, indeterminate, not defined because denominator 0. Then what do we go? Not necessary. To solve that case only, they are only defining in the data. They give 0. That's why I wrote directly. What is not because of that. Okay. Right hand limit is 0. They give right hand limit 1. Wrong. Since left limit not equal to right limit, it is understood limit does not exist. Then it is not continuous. That means continuity also wrong only. Finally, what is the answer? Since 3 are wrong, it must be here. Therefore, the function is discontinuous at 0. Second option, 11th problem. Okay? Very good. Next. This is also very powerful and important. So, problem number 13 is good. See, if x plus twice modulus of y, 3y, where y is in general any function f of x, then Answers important. Continuous everywhere. Differentiable. Unnecessarily we have got options are different here. We don't know. Differentiable everywhere. As for the question, we have to discuss. First, you will see. Discontinuous at 0. Not differentiable at any point. Okay. As for options, we should be ready with chapter differentiability also. Since we didn't do that now, next we are going to start that chapter only after this problem. So, no problem. First we will see here, this function is very, very important. Why it is important? Because of the special function modulus y. Any special function with modulus and GIF are good. Now, second why I said important, there is a second point. This problem model is possible in physics. All basic fellows who are writing NEET, okay, careful, this is possible in physics. How, where, when, what, don't ask me interview, okay, but this is important. How they will give you, I will tell you the question. You find out that reference in your physics chapters. A mirror is made in the form of the following function. Okay, a mirror is made in the form of the following function. A light ray is sent. Okay, a light ray is sent from any point. Then it is further reflected. Okay, find the points from where it is reflected. Like that, questions are there. Here, modulus first we have to define. How you will define modulus generally? Either it is positive or negative. Now you see, suppose y is greater than or equal to 0. Then what is modulus of y? Is y. Then what is function here? X plus 2y is 3y. Then what is that value? Y is equal to x. 3y minus 2y. So, when y is positive, y equal to x. Okay, very good. Then y is negative. Suppose y negative, then what is modulus of any function? Minus 1. Then x minus 2y, 3y, 5y, x. Y is x by 5. This is your next function. Now, we know how to draw the graph geometry. Y equal to mx plus c form. Y equal to x. Already you know this. What is y equal to x graph? Passing through origin. Is a straight line. We know that straight line is definitely continuous function. Or we know that linear function. Any polynomial is continuous, sir. At origin also, everywhere, not only origin. Since options related to at 0. Okay? So, it is continuous for all real numbers. First example. When y is negative, x by 5. Where is x by 5? Already this is y equal to x. X by 5. Okay? When it is x by 5, almost it will come like this. Y is equal to x by 5. When x is 1, you draw the line. This is y equal to 1. When x is 1, what is y value? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is definitely less than 1 only. This is 1 by 5. That is why I gave you locus. How you draw suddenly graph like that, the guessing, trial, arbitrary or anything. Don't think. How to trace the curve suddenly in the exam. You can put some x values. Okay. Suppose if you get more than 1, graph will be above. Hence, it is exactly like this. Okay. So see that how you will trace the curve. I gave you idea. Already I gave some graphical transformations earlier in some classes. All scientist people are there, long back. Similarly, suddenly how to notice the graph, therefore I gave you. Okay? Now you see, suppose this is mirror. Now a light ray is sent from one on x-axis. A beam of light. Where it is reflected now? That is why I told you. Very important. Dangerous question in the physics, not for maths. Okay? That is why very good problem. Next. Or continuous everywhere. Then why do you get confusion or other options when we don't know means not necessary. Differentiable or not, now we are not discussing. Leave it. Anyway it is not possible because it is continuous. Failure. Not differentiable as such, leave it. Next we are getting. Last problem, very important. 13. Number is bad, but problem is good. Okay? A bad number for a good problem. F of x, minimum value of x comma x square. Very good. Where x belongs to R. Right. Discontinuous at 0. Discontinuous at 1. Continuous on all real numbers. Continuous at 0 comma 1. First, such type of problem, not only minimum, even it is for maximum also. Very important problem for mains. Okay? Very important. Later also we are getting this problem. First of all, what are the types of functions here? Y equal to x and y equal to x square. Both we know from coordinate geometry. What is y equal to x means? Y equal to x square means x square equal to 4ay is a parabola symmetric with y axis, even power of x. Okay? Now you see. How you will find out points of intersections? Take x is equal to x square. Or x square minus x 0. That means x into x minus 1 0. What are the values of x? 0 comma 1. So it intersects at 0 comma 1. This is when x equal to 1. Now you see. Is it possible at 0 means now you see at 0. It is intersecting actually like this. Minus 1 to 0. When x lies between minus 1 and 0, in these two graphs which is near to x-axis is called minimum. Far away from x-axis is called maximum. This is the only idea we need it later again. Which is minimum? This curve. What is this curve function? X square. So y equal to x square. That curve is smoothly drawn, continuous at 0 between minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Up to 1 only you consider. 0 to 1. In this interval which is minimum, y equal to x square only. So overall minus 1 to 1 minimum. After 1 what is happening? After 1, curve is going up to, line is line as it is only. Now which is near to x-axis? This one. Y equal to x. With this what you decided? Is also a polynomial smooth function only, continuous only. Y equal to x anyway we know straight line continuous function. Overall it is continuous at all real numbers in the intervals. Therefore function is continuous. Where is the option? D. Continuous on R. Graph is important. You put this graph ready. Later in future we are getting this discussion again for main chapters. Right? If I change it into maximum, In this interval, which is maximum? Y equal to x. Here, y equal to x. In this interval, y equal to x square. Like that only. Not only x square, they can put any number of functions and different functions also. So, this is very useful, and this is last problem. Other levels now I am not doing. The reason is it is for mains level and other people who are doing, try to practice third level, fourth level, some are there. Okay, when separate section exists, that we will discuss later. As such, for all students common, up to second level we are doing in this material for every chapter. Now second level I stop up to here. Next I will start a powerful chapter, differentiability, not derivatives, differentiability. Okay, very important. Next class I will start. Right.